Here's a way to get the upper hand, foot. It's called 3v2 to goal. This game helps players learn to use an extra attacker to their advantage. Create a rectangular grid with a goal or pair of cones on one end. Divide players into 2 teams, one in pennies, starting on opposite end lines. Here's how it looks.
Play!
3 attackers initiate play from their end line and are met by 2 defenders who enter from the goal end. The attackers work together to try to score.
Nice shot, Caroline!
If defenders intercept the ball, they can score by dribbling the ball over the end line. When a player scores or the ball goes out of bounds, new players rotate in and a new round begins.
Switch!
We want the attackers to spread out, not bunch together. Tell players to imagine an open hand instead of a closed fist. This gives attackers more options with the ball when they're under pressure. Encourage attackers to dribble at the defenders, like this, to force the defender to commit to the ball and open up space to pass around them. Ooh, just like that. Coaches, these girls are really good. If you're doing this with younger or less experienced players, it might look a lot messier. Don't lose heart, that's why you practice. Remember, spread out, dribble at the defender, attack as a team. Simple soccer math, 3v2 equals 1 goal.